Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the heart of New Jersey, a tale of youthful exuberance unfolded as the Dream Cricket Cheetahs and NJYCA Cosmos clashed. Under the bright skies, it was the Cheetahs' fortitude against the Cosmos' resolve, a narrative waiting to unravel.
An under-13 spectacle, where the green pitch witnesses the budding dreams of future cricketing stars. The Cheetahs, with their eyes set on the trophy, faced the Cosmos, determined to carve their own legacy.
A story etched in cricket's hallowed books, the Cheetahs secured the toss and set the stage with their willows. Amid a flurry of extras, the Cosmos bowlers sought to restrict, but the game was poised for an unpredictable twist.
It was a battle that swung like a pendulum. Wickets fell and batsmen toiled. As the Cosmos bowlers exerted pressure, the Cheetahs' resilience added the crucial runs, setting up a dramatic stage for the chase.
The Cheetahs pounced early, with Kalyanaraman anchoring the innings. Despite a cascading fall of wickets, a valiant partnership between Gopinath and Kalyanaraman bolstered the scoreboard, weaving a tapestry of resistance.
Cosmos Ozar led the bowling attack, snaring a trio of prey, as maidens were bowled and runs stemmed. Yet, the Cheetahs found ways to claw through, supplemented by a generous helping of extras.
The Cosmos embarked on their quest, but the Cheetahs bowlers, led by Sharma, roared ferociously. A tight web of dots and scant runs suffocated the innings, leaving the Cosmos struggling for breath.
As the chase stumbled, each Cosmos wicket illuminated the Cheetahs' dominance. Sharma's precision unraveled the batting lineup, leaving the Cosmos with stars too distant to grasp, as victory slipped from their palms.
Sharma's spellbinding bowling, Ozar's hat-trick of wickets, and Kalyanaraman's anchoring innings were the linchpins of the Cheetahs' charge. Their feats etched in the annals, turning the match.
In cricket's chessboard, these players were the queens. Sharma turned the game on its head, Ozar's strikes kept hope alive, while Kalyanaraman remained the steadfast sentinel for the Cheetahs, scripting their march to victory.
The Cheetahs triumphed, leaping to a 47-run victory. It was their relentless attack and strategic mastery that curtailed the Cosmos, scripting a narrative of conquest and unrivaled valor.
Exultation for the Cheetahs, a moment of reflection for the Cosmos. The triumph was substantial, the margin telling extras, indeed, playing a hand in the Cheetahs' glorious ascendancy. This contest, wrapped in statistics, unraveled the beauty of cricket's unpredictability. Sharma's prowess, the generosity of extras, all culminated in a victory that will echo in these young Cheetahs' memories.
As the sun sets on this New Jersey hub, the Cheetahs' tale of triumph is one for the cricketing fables. It will invigorate them for upcoming duels. For today, they did not just play, they owned the game.